Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. It's Boof with a really bad hair day. But if we're being honest, I've barely taken a shower all week. If you can't tell, I've been sick. So, since my beautiful wife has been handling absolutely everything around the house, I thought maybe I'd tackle a project today. So, Alexa, light on.
Okay.
Let me show you what I wanted to do. Gypsy Lee has gotten, we've put together a toy box one day when we were cleaning up the house, and this toy box is literally just a milk bone box. Now, as you can see, plenty of toys in that box. And she likes the box. So I thought I'd make it not look like a milk bone box, because I like having these in a toy box, but I don't want it to look like that. Simple enough, right? I'm gonna go gather some supplies and be right back. Okay, I've got some supplies right here. My handy dandy mess board. People are like, what? That's supposed to be for fabric. That thing gets used for everything. I literally mean everything. Also, my handy dandy glue gun. Pew. Missing a battery. Now, my wife is in the garage. I've not told her what I'm working on. And to be honest, I'm really not going to tell her what I'm working on. I'm just gonna stealthily come out here as she's slaving away. Grab one of these guys. Go back in the house, and she'll be none the wiser. Bam! Please note the amazing cinematography going on here, the camera work, all me. Oh, you're so blessed. Last thing I need is some fabric. So we shall raid the fabric receptacle. See what we got. Generally sorted by color. And a mess of stuff that we've used some of, and little pieces, bits, and whatever's down there. Now, I was thinking something neutral, but now that I'm actually looking at this, I really kind of like this guy with the gray and the yellow. Those are the two colors we've used in that room. And I was also drawn to like some of these oranges up top, but I really don't have any orange in that room. Pretty green. Okay, but I'm thinking this guy. I think that's a good one. Now my only question is it going to be thick enough that you can't see the milk bone pattern underneath it? And I don't know that it's going to. So I might have to put a base under it. And for that I'll just use a simple linen. State-of-the-art cabinet closer. Okay, let's get started. Now, I'm only worried about lining the front, the back, and the sides. Obviously the bottom, it's gonna be sitting down. I'm not really worried about that. Weirdly enough, I have these sheets cut for some reason that look like they're gonna cover just fine. gonna use that. Okay, so all I'm doing is laying the fabric against the wall I want to cover and gluing it in. I've cut them to the same size as the exterior dimensions of the box so that they should slide right in. So I'm running basically a bead of glue around the entire seam and a bit in the center and just adhering it to the inside. I'm gonna be honest with you, I just made me a cup of tea and seriously thought about scrapping this entire video because I was getting frustrated by the process. But I'm not gonna let it win today. All I wanna do is take the fabric, cover the box, and put the damn toys back inside. Probably not the best project to tackle while I have a cold or not feeling well. Because I just wanted to take the box to the recycling bin a minute ago. But I digress. Let's continue. Thank you, Melissa, for the chai tea. Okay. Cut off the excess. Now, let me show you the inside of my box. Again, I left excess because I'm not sure what I'm doing around the top, but there's the inside of my box. Embrace the calm. Embrace the calm. Okay. Next step. I want to cover the outside in the fabric that I chose. This, theoretically, should be much like wrapping a present, I think. I really don't know. I thought the first part would be easy. Hey guys, welcome to the Crafting with a Cold series. I'm Boof, and I don't recommend doing this. Project complete. Cute. Love it. Amazing. Don't look too close. Really messy, kind of sloppy, irritating, and the only words I have are measure, 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 plan, cut, measure, 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 cut. It does look better than it was. I'm happy with that. And the battery died. All in all, this is a really simple project. It's a really easy way to dress up something you've got that might be an eyesore, a box. My hair is a mess. So it's not a good day to do this. Feel the zen, feel the zen. Feel the zen. 10 out of 10 would do this project again. 10 out of 10 most likely will have to do this project again because, trust me. But it looks better than it was. I'm content with that. And I feel like I've done something somewhat physical for the first time in a week. I'm gonna stop looking at the imperfections. I'm gonna put the toys back in the box and clean up my mess. Thanks for joining, and I'm sorry for this all over weird project. Do as I say, not as I do. Plan, plan, plan. Measure, 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 cut, measure. Measure. And I'll catch you guys next time. Bye. That dog better appreciate this. That dog doesn't care. She was perfectly happy with the milk bone box. She really was. Why does she have a coaster? Why? have no head. Isn't that nice? No idea if this is gonna work. It's like watching a train wreck. No. That's a hot mess. Maybe it's the head cold, but I cannot figure out what the hell I'm doing with this. Let's just cut the pieces that fit exactly on the paint thing, glue them in, and deal with the seams later. I don't think I have it in me. Lighting. Better.